Welcome back to WWJW. Today is June 19th, 2010. We are out here still continuing our fishing shows. I'm going to give you this whole month. Today we are at the Gorge Metro Park. I'm the middleman.
This is Robbie Rob.
And the homie. And we are out here at the Gorge Metro Park in Cuyahoga Falls, Ohio. What's good, homie?
Man, ain't nothing biting out here, man. So I'm on the bottom of the water right now to see if everything's down on the bottom because of the daytime, you know? Got my little whistling jig under there. Yeah, that's what's up. It's gonna be hot.
Sheila, queen of the lake.
Hi, I've only caught one little fish and I let it go back. One to you guys, none. Sorry.
Oh,
I'm busy.
it's all gravy. About to get the biggest fish out.
Robbie Rob. Catching anything?
Nope.
Not yet.
I don't think there's any fish out here.
There's no fish in this lake.
Nope.
No fish live in this lake.
None at all. Nope.
We tricked y'all. This is actually a hermit crab lake.
Nope. There's no fish in this lake. None at all. None at
They all swam south for the winter, right?
Yes,
All
they
these
do.
bubbles, though, they're all sitting here. They're waiting.
I know, but
Very uneventful day on the lake today. Nothing's biting. There's no fish in the lake.
but one. You caught it. Yep.
There was a slumber party at a different lake, so they haven't all gotten back yet. But next week we just might have something for you. Don't go fish at the gorge. Do not fish at the gorge in whatever Ohio that this is, because the fish are not here. All right.
The bottom of the water. That's what it looks like.
What?
Well, today at the lake, of course, you seen there were no fish there.
As Robbie Rob stated earlier, there were absolutely no fish in the lake. Man, foreclosure is getting real bad nowadays. So don't go to the gorge. The gorge has been foreclosed on. All the fish got evicted.
None whatsoever. Now, I got a lot of experience. I even tight line, set some meat on the bottom of the lake. Nothing.
But it's all good though, because hey, look at the highlight. We are standing in front of a gorgeous off-the-hook waterfall that always wraps up a nice, frustrating day of fishing.
Yes.
But it's all good, you know. As long as you keep watching, we'll keep, I don't know what we do, but we'll keep doing it. In the news this week.
Well, they have this big old statue from the waist up of Jesus going like this, but his arms way out there. You get it. And it's by the freeway, and it got struck by lightning and it crashed. Oh, it caught on fire.
Okay.
Crashed and it burned.
A stationary statue got struck by lightning and it crashed.
But the problem is that like, people want to know like why God would allow that to happen when it's supposed to be bringing attention to God and the church and Jesus Christ.
Idolatry.
I think he was just salty because he got laid on that.
I think it was the fact that he had a jerry curl on that statue. That wasn't right. Y'all know good and well Jesus did not have a jerry curl.
Maybe you're getting a mullet.
What?
A mullet?
What's that? So anyway.
You gotta put a picture of a mullet on the screen.
Is that?
Because this is what a mullet looks like. That's your intro right there.
There it is. There's a mullet. Oh, that sums it up. Okay, yeah. Could you imagine a homie with a mullet? I can see it. I can see a homie with a mullet. I think that would be awesome. If you haven't had a chance, go check out the Haywood Banks video. It is called Big Butter Jesus. It makes reference to this statue of Jesus, which apparently looked like it was made out of butter. So, we made a song called Big Butter Jesus. $300,000 they lost in the destruction of this statue.
$300,000?
$300,000 they lost in the destruction of the statue. $600,000 they lost when the fire spread to a nearby Coliseum.
What?
Wow. The pastor of the church may have had good intentions. All the individuals who took that as an idol or some type of deity, that was not a good thing. Not a good thing. Can't find him in a statue. Can't find him in a painting. You can only find him in the Word by seeking the Spirit. If you don't do it that way, you will not find him. We assure you of that. Keep looking at me. I'm simply trying to feed my fish because I got the Evo, okay? And they don't. Question of the week.
We want to know what you would do for a Klondike bar.
What would you do for a Klondike bar? Give that man a Klondike bar.
I mean, you know, the summer's hot, the sun's bearing down on you, and you're hot, and just really want something cold and creamy and smooth.
What would you do for a Klondike bar?
What would you do for a Klondike bar?
What would you do? What would you do?
Seriously, what would you do for a Klondike bar?
Not anybody else. Okay? Now let's put this into perspective, okay? You have no money. Okay? You are outside. Temperature just broke 100. You are about to pass out on the ground because you're outside mowing the grass, doing your week chores or whatever reason you're outside. Can't get back into the house, and you hear a faint sound in the distance. And he has a Klondike bar on his truck. The last one. The last one. He sold out of screwballs. He sold out of push-up pops. He sold out of drumsticks, everything. But he has one Klondike bar on that truck, and it's the very last one. You don't have any money. The guy that is on that truck looks like Debo's bigger brother. We want to know what you do. Send us your response. The WWJW show at gmail.com. Send us your response. Everybody go kung fu fight! That's all I know. Those cats were fast as lightning. We appreciate you all watching this week. Yep. We're going to continue on with our fishing shows. Next week will be the finale, our last fishing show. And it has been a journey. We appreciate you all tuning in. Tune in next week. Until then, you have just finished watching the WWJW show. What would Jesus watch? Keep watching.
Yeah. For us.
20 billion.